Here on the dashboard, you'll see some updates to the info cards. The booking info can be found in the body of the card. This will display the room name, the booker's name, the session time, and the team name. Previously, you were required to create the waiver and assign the team name before any waivers could be submitted. That process now happens in the background as a part of the original booking, so you're no longer required to create the waiver manually. At the bottom of the card, you'll find information about the waivers that are associated with that booking. The count will tell you how many players have been booked, giving us the total, and how many waivers have currently been signed for that booking. By clicking the View More Waivers button, we'll be taken to a table where we can see all the information submitted. So here we currently have the 3 players and their associated info. We can return to the dash, and we can see that there's still 1 player remaining. This SMS player button will open a form that can be used to SMS a link for the waiver form to that booking. So we can simply add a mobile number in here. We can add multiples if we like. And that player will receive an SMS with a link that can be used to fill out the form on their own device. Here's a simulation of the form on a device. See, as we go down the fields, fill them out. As we get to the I am signing for a child toggle, this will open this extra little input. Obviously, that's the child's name, and the adult still signs. Okay. Now, below these 2 toggles here, you'll start to see the custom fields that you've created in your settings. Now, we can toggle these. We can agree, add the signature. Now, we can add a new player if required, or we can just submit. Takes us back to a success message. If we refresh the page here, we'll see the 4th waiver's been signed.